shortly after midnight.
We got severe thunderstorm
Sunday,
watch.
southwest winds 5 to 10 knots becoming northwest. Showers. Sunday night, northwest winds 5 to 10 knots. Showers in the evening.
10,
Then a chance of showers
9,
overnight.
8,
Monday,
7,
northwest winds 5
6,
to 10 knots.
5,
A chance of
4,
rain showers during the
3,
day.
2,
Tuesday,
1.
north winds 10 knots or less. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 277, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New York: Franklin, Jefferson, Lewis, and St. Lawrence, and the St. Lawrence River from Lake Ontario to Ogdensburg. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service